Now that the job is complete, the house looks completely different, exactly as the client envisaged. Today is the cleanup day, and our team has gone through the entire home to ensure every detail is perfect. We've cleaned any excess paint off the windows, checked for paint residue on the floors, though our drop sheets prevented that, and left the house immaculate. You might notice that the ceilings appear slightly different from the walls, even though they are the same color. This is due to how the light reflects, as well as the limitations of my phone camera. It's fascinating how light can change the perception of color. This beautiful old house, which is over 100 years old, is now refreshed and ready to go for another 10 to 15 years. The transformation speaks for itself, from the bold black mantle to the freshly painted front door, which received two coats for a crisp, polished finish. If you live in Brunswick or the surrounding suburbs and you want to give your house a fresh new look, call me on 0403 162 374. We'll be happy to provide a quote and help you achieve the perfect interior for your home. With a 5-star Google rating and glowing reviews, we pride ourselves on going above and beyond to ensure our clients are thrilled with the results. Let us bring your vision to life, top to bottom.